Hello, everyone. Welcome to the episode number 4 of Me to Be Not Just a Baby Bump, but a Consciousness Expansion. Hi, I'm Madhulika Sharma, your relationship and consciousness coach. And I've grown as a mother, as I think हर माँ का एक जन्म होता है उसके बच्चे के साथ और ये आज मैं आपसे बात करना चाहती हूँ. You know, a lot of things change for us as pregnant women and after becoming a mother, after delivery. माँ तो आप बन जाते हो जब आप कंसीव करते हो, but reality kicks in much after when the delivery happens. एंड कई बार हमें महसूस भी नहीं होता है कि हम माँ की फीलिंग क्या होती है, मदरहुड की फीलिंग क्या होती है. वो एक्चुअल फीलिंग किक इन करती है जब आपके हाथ में बच्चा होता है. इट टेक्स टाइम बिकॉज हमें इतनी रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट कर रखी है ना अपनी लाइफ में, हाउ वी फंक्शन, दैट वी आर नॉट एबल टू embrace things as it is. So lot of mental uh, resistance happen. And as I've said before also, whatever you resist persists. तो रेजिस्टेंस जहां जहां आता है वहां वहां थॉट्स भी ऐसे होते हैं जहां जिसकी वजह से रेजिस्टेंस आ रहा है, राइट. कंप्लीटली हम एम्ब्रेस नहीं कर पाते कोई भी चीज, स्पेशली जैसे प्रेगनेंसी है. अब जब आप कंसीव करते हो यू नो यू गोइंग टू गेट फैट एंड अ लॉट ऑफ अस you know have this mindset where you don't want to gain weight because you feel because you feel that you won't be able to get back to the figure that you had earlier. But हम completely उसे embrace नहीं करते हैं. ये एक phase है हमारी life का. See, your life keeps on changing. We don't understand that what is required at this time. Being a mother requires you to have an intake of good amount of nutrients, good amount of protein, and every body type is different. Hormones are different. They react differently to your body. And instead of embracing that, we somehow resist कि हमें ये चाहिए, ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, you know. I should not gain more than 15 kgs. Oh my God. I should not increase more than 12 kgs. This is not acceptable by doctors also. So let me tell you my experience. I gained 30 kgs in my first pregnancy. And from 60, I went to 90, 92 by the time I delivered. And my doctors were like, oh my God, she can't, like, you come back to where she was. And I delivered in August 2020. By the time it was October 21, I had considerably reduced. I was back to around 70. And by 2021, 22, I was back in my shape. And that was without doing any exercise, without, but not rigorously just focusing on weight, losing my weight, because I was eating the way I used to eat, my regular diet, whatever going out. There's no fixed diet chart or anything. It was my normal routine that I used to follow. And this, I teach people how to, maintain have a relationship with your weight, and you can easily maintain your weight where you want to be. This is uh, this is sort of you done by yourself. What your weight needs to be, आप decide करते हो. Here, I don't want to get into that. But what I'm trying to say here is that when I completely embraced each phase of life, where I thought that I need to be that fat, or for my baby, it's all right. My body is requiring that kind of food, that much energy, and that was required for the baby. And I gave birth and delivered and did all that and did not care about my weight because I knew, धीरे धीरे अपने आप कम हो जाएगा. मुझे कोई ब्यूटी पैजेंट में नहीं जाना. मुझे ये नहीं फर्क पड़ता कौन मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहा है, हाउ फैट एवर आई बिकम, even my husband for that matter. I was more focused on what my child needs right now. My body will come back to where it is. I had this feeling inside this that I did not throw my clothes away, my old clothes. I was like, I will fit into this. मेरे दिमाग में ये चीज थी that I will fit into this, but right now I'm good where I am right now. धीरे धीरे अपने आप इतना कम हो गया कि मुझे खुद बिलीव नहीं हुआ कि मैं 30 kgs वापस नीचे आ गई. Because generally people, we have seen women not coming back to their own original size, and for some people it's shocking. They feel that कोई problem है आपको if you've lost so much weight. See, body image की जो problem है हमारी mentally सबसे ज्यादा problem ये होती है that people start saying things. मोटे हो तो मोटे हो, अरे कम नहीं हुए. पतले हो गए तो पतले क्यों हो, पतले मोटे ही अच्छे लगते थे. All these kind of things trigger something in your head. Apart from all this, mental stress and anxiety is also caused by where's the other things, the control that we have, the insecurities that we create. Right after delivery हमें बहुत सारी insecurities हो जाती है. So इन सब चीज को overcome करने के लिए what you need to do is just focus on yourself. देखो, treat yourself as a queen. When you deliver a baby, you are a mother. Treat yourself as a queen. आपकी self esteem, self worth बिल्कुल कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. Treat yourself as if people are there for you to work. Don't think that मैं अकेली हूँ. Bring people to you. Don't be alone. See, अकेले नहीं पाल सकते आप बच्चा. You need help. You need help. You take help from your parents, from your in-laws, whoever you can. Take help. और शर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए. कई बार हम हेजिटेट करते हैं बोलने में, बट यू नीड हेल्प फॉर योर सेल्फ. दिस इज द टाइम. इफ यू डोंट टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, इट विल haunt you after years. You will get physical pains after years if you don't take care of yourself, if you don't take rest, if you don't take proper diet after delivery. And also, the mindset that we need to focus on. Insecurities हमें क्यों आती हैं? As a mother, we are all insecure. बिकॉज हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा बेबी जो है हमारे हिसाब से ही चले, है ना, वैसे ही रहे, ऐसे नहीं हो, वैसे नहीं हो. सो लॉट ऑफ मदर्स हु कम टू मी एज माय क्लाइंट्स फील दिस वे. And I've mentioned this in my book also. So because I saw a lot of people asking me and talking to me about this problem, I thought of writing a book, a small book which will help you deal with all these issues: mental care, physical care, emotional care after delivery, before your delivery, and insecurities को trigger क्या करता है, awareness, reflection, and how it can help. So I wrote a book called Embracing Motherhood. It's a small handbook, and if you want to read this, just comment handbook and I will share the link with you. I'll send you a copy, a PDF file, which was just a 15-20 pages read. Very simple book, which will give you an idea, a perspective of what motherhood is all about if you're a new mom. And it will, I personally felt that this will add some value to all of you here. So thank you so much for listening, and take care. See you next week. Bye bye.